I'm Roger, and this is my shop. Actually, it's the other side of the shop. It's the area where we do our shipping from for our nursery and greenhouse business. But I've had a lot of people ask through messages and so on about, what is this thing? This is my mobile dust collector, and I'll do a little bit of a zoom in on the lower part of this. But what this is a Dewalt vacuum, Shop Vac, which is down below. And then this is a Rockler Dust Rite separator, and various hoses and stuff, and it's got a good place to store hose in and accessories. You can store them in there. Okay, the cart is not my idea. I saw this on April Wilkerson's site, and I'll put a link to her build video. She actually has plans available for this you can get, and on hers the sides here have racks on where you can put tools and accessories and so on. Do it on both sides. The only thing I have on mine is I have a plug-in strip, which is handy. Actually, I did some floor replacement of some broken ceramic tiles, and this came in extremely handy. I could have my dust hose right down there next to the diamond wheel grinder while I was grinding out the old mortar. Had a place to plug them both in, nice long cord. That worked out well. The cart itself, and I'm not going to give any dimensions because you need to get your shop vac first and then build it accordingly. It just happened that I already had this Dewalt vac, so after I bought this Rockler Dust Rite here separator, I lined the two up and noticed they were similar to the same diameter, and it made it very easy to build the cart. I did round the edges here. No, I don't have to, but I did. It's just put together with screws and glue. Nothing real fancy about it, no fancy joinery on it. The back is 1/2-inch plywood. The rest of it is 3/4-inch plywood, and it's an ACX shop grade plywood. It's not anything high-end, not birch or maple or oak or anything like that. It's just utility stuff. I used 4 swivel casters so I can move this however I want, and it's real handy. And I've got different adapters I can plug into my different tools. As you know, I have a small shop. Everything has to be on wheels, and everything has to be mobile. So this has worked out real well for that. This is available from Rockler. I'm not sure. I think it was around 80 bucks when I got this here. I have no idea what I paid for that shop vac because I got it at a tool auction, and I don't remember. I've had it quite a while. But one of the advantages of that one is that it has the bag in it, so you don't have to worry about the filter getting plugged. But I've used this for a couple of years. I've never had to change the bag. This Dust Rite separator does an excellent job. So, being said, I'll do a little bit of zooming in on here. Right there you can see where the Dewalt vac is stored. It fits right in there real well. So nothing, like I said, there's nothing really exotic or fancy about this. It's just highly functional. Okay, so that being said, I hope you got something out of this. And yes, it's a little messy over here. We moved a bunch of things around. We're getting ready for getting into the spring rush with shipping, so I've got a lot of things just stashed over here right now as we get the third bay set up. There's 3 bays in this building, and the third bay right now has a forklift in it. Well, you don't have a forklift? I thought everybody had a forklift. At any rate, maybe I'll do a video on that sometime. It's a 1950 tow motor with a little flathead 4-cylinder in it. It's an interesting little machine. Not OSHA approved or anything because there's no cage on it, but it does its job, fully functional. At any rate, hope you got something out of this. If you did, we'd appreciate getting a thumbs up. I will leave the link below in the description section on April Wilkerson's site, where you can view her video, and then she has a link where you can actually buy plans for this. I didn't buy the plans. I'm one of them people that could just look at something and get an idea and just go build it. I rarely even draw plans for myself. Once in a while I'll make a sketch, but that's about it. At any rate, we're always looking for subscribers, and until the next video, thanks for watching.